How to find a Motel 6 near you on the Motel 6 website. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to Motel 6 website. Here, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. At the top, you'll find the search bar like icon. There, click on the arrow like icon, which will locate your location, and then select your date, guest, and such. After you've done that, you'll find all the available motels near you. You can simply scroll through it, and if you want to book, you can simply click on it and then book for your stay. And after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to find a Motel 6 near you on the Motel 6 website. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.